Alina always felt invisible in her class. Others shined while she hid behind excuses. Every failure gave her the same thought. Maybe I'm just not smart enough. Her mind had become a collection of excuses. But one person saw something different in her, Miss Rose. She told Alina, excuses build walls, actions build doors. Which will you choose? She gave Alina one task: replace every excuse with one action. At first, the actions felt small, almost silly. But they were steps forward. Each time she acted instead of excused, she won a small victory. Slowly, excuses turned into effort. Effort turned into progress. Progress into confidence. Of course, some days she slipped back. But now, she refused to quit. And every time she stumbled, Miss Rose reminded her, "Your success is bigger than your excuse." Finally, the day arrived, her biggest test. But the real battle was never the paper, it was the war inside her mind. And this time she chose action over excuse. For the first time, her effort spoke louder than her excuses. She had transformed, not just her grades, but herself. In life, you always have two choices: live with your excuses or live with your success.
In this story inspires you, like, share and subscribe for more. Remember, your excuse can build walls, but your action can build your future.